Brother Black Spider here with another cologne unboxing review. The focus this time is Gucci Made to Measure. This is the 1.6 fluid ounce version. Yes, I am familiar with the Gucci controversy and all that. I did not buy this. I got this as a gift. Just stating that. Now, if you see it out the box here, it has a very unique looking lantern top that holds strong. The smell is light, not overwhelming, but strong enough to catch your attention. There are hints of fruit mixed with spice. So to get the maximum effect of this cologne, it's best worn during the spring and fall times, during the evening or at night. Also, it has a good amount of skin stain on time at 6 hours. Overall, I'm not on high about this one. It just doesn't do it for me. There are other colognes that do what I said earlier better. Again, this is Brother Black Spider, and I am out. Peace.